Good morning. Finished off my morning ritual. Did Surya Namaskars today, and it was pretty exhaustive. It was raining, so I took this opportunity to stay indoors and do Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskars I've found are pretty intensive. I mean, those anybody who has done that, experienced it, will understand how intense it is in terms of physical exercise, because it probably it exercises all your entire body. So that's it on today morning's workout. I've been I've been thinking today morning ever since I woke up, what am I doing? I mean, not on the morning rituals or things like that. What am I doing in life? I guess each one of us goes through this question in our lives at regular intervals कि भाई कर क्या रहा हूँ, क्या यही मैं करना चाहता था? When I was young, when I was a child, छोटा था, तब क्या मैं यही करने की सोच रहा था? क्या मैंने यही डिसाइड किया था कि मैं ये करूँगा? नहीं, कुछ और ही था, कुछ और ही सोचा था, सोचते थे, कभी ये कभी वो. लाइफ आगे बढ़ती गई, हम रास्ते लेते गए, अपने आप को शायद पीछे छोड़ते गए. बहुत कम लोग हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि सभी लोगों ने अपने आप को पीछे छोड़ दिया है. कई लोगों को पता था, उन्होंने राह ली सही, and they have reached where they want to, but that percentage, I guess, is very small. Over the last 10, 12 years, the 14 years of my corporate life, I've met a lot of young people who know what their passion is, or who know what they want to do in life, which is amazing, which is good to know that there are youngsters who know what to do. I'm not sure how many of us at my stage, the 70s kids, as we call ourselves, had this thing on their mind ki, what is passion and what is life, what I want to be. And if in case you have been through it and you know, do connect with me and let me know. You have the freedom of sharing it as a comment, or I would love if you can call me and connect with me. It'll help me. It's just a help that I'm asking. I'm not asking about you or anything, but it's a help that I'm looking forward to. I'm seeking help. So take care. Have a good day.